Hello, my name is Frederick Sang and I'm going to give you a quick tour of Posterita. Here we are at the cash sale screen and we're selecting a barilla mezze penne and there's 80 quantities for each. I'm going to add the Coca-Cola as well and we can increment the quantities. You'll notice we have some keypads that pop-ups because we are the whole process here it's touchscreen. So we apply the discount, and here we're going to add another sales rep so that we can actually do what we call the split order, which is assign different quantities um, of sales amount to different sales rep. So at the moment it's 10.5 on the admin, so we select on the other user and we split the amount and we select OK. Now we can also specify the customer we are selling it to. So by default, it's set to the standard customer, but over here we select it to John Smith, so we can track who sells to whom. Over here we have different types of payment, so we also support credit card payment processing. And here we're just going to use the cash sales. So we put an amount of 15. It tells us the amount refunded, which is 2.92 at the top right corner, and it's giving us the full details. We can obviously do different functions such as exchange or refund the order or reprint it. On the right hand side, this is the slip printer that prints. Now we're going to check in the stock what happened. So we go in the stock inquiry and we do a search, and we'll see that these two values are set to 78. By default, we set everything to 80. Over here is a dashboard, so just some nice graphs to give an overview of how the store is performing. So we can see who's clocked in at what time. We can see the average sales, what are the best items, what is the sales for the month, how it's split. And obviously you can see there's different organizations. Posterita is multi-org, so we can view consolidated accounts. Over here, this is the close deal. So we put the number of sales we've had for today. So if I put 12.08, and that's the exact amount, so the difference is 0, the card amount, and this is the slip prints that prints. We can actually close the tail any time of the day we want. We don't necessarily have to wait the end of the day to close it. So it's just going to reset the money in the account and transfer it to a bank account. Over here is the employees. We can generate commissions on the sales amount. So here we generate a new commission, select the dates for which we want to generate it. So it's only today's date, and select a particular type of commission. In the commission, there are the employees and the rates which we set. So here we can see it's 5.25. That's because the amount does not include the tax. So the commission is only given on the net sales, and it's 10%. So it's basically they got a commission of 0.52. Now we're changing terminal. That's to show the capability of a multi-store function. So we change terminal now. So we basically, that's for the admin function. Usually once we set it for the employees, then we obviously won't change it. So here we're showing that the price and the tax is changing. And finally, we'll have a look at how a product is actually created and what consists of the product master record. So the most important thing, obviously, we support barcodes. There's a name, has got to be unique. The difference between name and description is the description is what's printed on the receipt, and the name is how we identify it within the system. All the groups on the right hand side is basically for reporting purposes, and we can save it. Thank you for following a quick tour demo of Posterita.